Hello everyone, welcome back to Upgrowth. Commercial real estate marketing carries an unusual economic shape. A single converted lead can be worth crores in lease value over multiple years, but post CRE, that is commercial real estate, teams plan monthly marketing budget without ever connecting that spend to vacancy fill, cost per qualified lead, or 12-month return. So this simulator closes that gap. This is a commercial real estate marketing simulator by Upgrowth. It projects how your monthly marketing budget translates into qualified leads, occupancy growth, lease value generated, and 12-month ROI, calibrated for office, retail, industrial, and warehouse properties across metro and tier markets. So we have six input fields. Let's go through each one. First is monthly marketing budget is the total you spend each month on lead generation across all CRE channels like paid search, broker partnerships, listings, content and outdoor. So let's enter 5 lakh there, a strong monthly budget for marketing, a high yield industrial property of a portfolio, and property type tells the simulator which segment specific benchmarks to apply. So I have selected industrial here since lead cost, conversion windows, and lease values differ significantly between asset classes. An average lease value is a typical monthly lease your converted tenant sign. So I've entered 12 lakh there, reflecting realistic metro, industrial, or warehousing rental rates. And current occupancy rate is what percentage of your portfolio is currently leased. And I've entered 80% there, leaving a 20% vacancy gap as the marketing opportunity. And vacancy fill target is how much of that vacancy you aim to close through marketing driven inquiries over the year. So I'll enter 5% there. And the last input is geography is the market your property sit in. We have drop down inputs, drop down options like metro, tier 2, tier 3. So I've selected metro. So once all the inputs are filled, just click on calculate ROI. And here is what the output shows. Leads generated is 120. The qualified inquiries your 5 lakh monthly budget produces based on industrial segment benchmarks, and cost per lead is 4167. Your blended acquisition cost per qualified CRE inquiry across the channel mix, and lease value is 216 crore monthly, the massive scale of projected monthly lease revenue once your targeted vacancy fill converts into signed leases. And 12-month ROI is 4,220%, the massive return your marketing spend generates over a full year, factoring in the multi month compounding lease value. The occupancy growth chart shows a visual realistic ramp of your portfolio steadily climbing from 80% toward your target over 12 months. And the key insight from the tool sums it up. Your industrial marketing strategy generates rupees 4,167 cost per qualified lead and is expected to fill the 5% vacancy, valued at rupees 216 crore monthly. So, commercial real estate marketing and economics do not behave like consumer or SaaS marketing. A single qualified lead can take 3 to 6 months to convert, but unlocks years of lease revenue once signed. Generic ROI calculators undercount this. They treat one lead as one transaction, not as multi-year annuity. This simulator model vacancy fill and lease value the way a CRE finance team actually thinks about it. So your marketing budget gets evaluated against the right number. So run this with your own portfolio occupancy, lease value, and monthly budget before your next quarterly planning review. The link is in the description. And if you want Upgrowth to help you build a vacancy fill marketing engine for your CRE portfolio, book a free strategy call with us right below here. We can help you out. Thank you.